The fast-curing Plastifloor 800 PUMMA resin can be used for waterproofing applications. You can get a clear resin, put it together with the pigment and the hardener, and prepare your edges. The edges should be primed with Plastifloor 112 on concrete or wood before you apply the first layer of the coating. The coating is thickened a little bit so it doesn't drop down to the bottom, and you can easily install it also on vertical surfaces. Just apply approximately 1 kilo a square meter of the first layer Plastifloor 800 before you start putting the polyester fabric on top. It's important to have enough material below the fleece to avoid air bubbles below. Make sure that you press the fleece tight onto the first layer and use a roller to remove all air bubbles. After that, apply another layer of Plastifloor 800 PUMMA resin, approximately 1 to 1.5 kJs a square meter. The Plastifloor PUMMA resin contains MMA and polyurethane, so it will stay flexible even at low temperatures. The waterproofing layer is curing within 45 to 60 minutes and is watertight.